In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable test data in Base44. We'll walk through this together step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click in order to turn on test data for your app. This is especially helpful if you want to experiment, demo features, or simply understand how your setup will behave without touching any of your real, live information. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you've opened the app where you want to enable test data. Once you're inside that app, start by heading to the main dashboard. You can usually find the dashboard option in the main navigation menu. Go ahead and click on dashboard. Think of this as your home base inside the app, where you can access all of your key tools and settings. From the dashboard, the next thing you want to do is open your settings. Look for a settings option, often represented by a gear icon or labeled settings in the sidebar or top menu. Click on settings to open up the configuration area for your app. This is where you control how your app behaves, what features are available, and how data is handled. Inside settings, you'll see different sections or tabs. What you want to look for now is app settings. This is usually the place where you can fine-tune application-specific options. Go ahead and click on app settings. If you have multiple settings categories, make sure you're specifically in the area that relates to the app itself, not just your personal profile or account preferences. Once you're in app settings, scroll or look around for a section labeled test data or something similar. This is where Base44 allows you to turn on sample or dummy data that you can safely use for testing. When you find the test data option, you should see a toggle or switch that you can turn on. Before you enable it, be aware that in order to activate test data, you may need to upgrade your plan. If you see a message indicating that an upgrade is required, that means test data is a premium feature. In that case, follow the prompts to review the available plans and choose the one that fits your needs. Once your plan is upgraded, come back to the same test data section and then toggle it on. After the toggle is enabled, your app will have test data available, and you can start exploring features, workflows, and layouts without risking any of your real information.